everyone. My name is Vignesha Pradhaini. I'm from batch N4B.
Hi, I'm Denishwari Murthy from Batch N4B.
Today I'm going to talk about a presentation of professional in law enforcement. First, let's understand what is law enforcement means. Law enforcement refer to the government agency, the police that are responsible for maintaining public orders, prevent crimes and enforcing the law. Police officer plays a role in a society because they have legal powers such as conducting investigation, making arrests and using reasonable force when necessary. Since they are giving this power, they must always carry out the duty responsibly, fairly and according to the law. Law enforcement is very important. Why professionalism matters? Next, let's look at the professionalism important in law. Professionalism helps to build trust and confidence in a police. When an officer perform their duty honestly and fairly, people are more willing to cooperate with the police. Professionally also ensures that every individual is treated equally and that police action are lawful and transparent. This is why professionalism in law enforcement matters. In additionally, professionalism promotes accountable because of officers are responsible of their decision and action. It also improve the effectiveness of policing allowing officers to serve the community more effectively and maintain the peace and the security. Definition. Now let's discuss the definition of the professionalism. Professionalism refers to the conduct, behavior, and attitude expected from law enforcement officers while carrying out their duties. It means officers should also always act with respect, responsible, and professionalism. Law enforcement officer must be professional. Being professional is not about enforcing the law but also about respecting people rights, making ethics decision and providing equal public service. Professional officers maintain standard even its difficult situation because they understand the importance of protecting the community. Next is
Good day everyone, my name is Denishwari Murthy. These slides explain the three main ethical decision making frameworks used in law enforcement. First, deontology ethics, which is duty based, it focuses on following laws, rules, and responsibility. Police officers must allow, obey the law, or perform their duties professionally. Second, utilitarian ethics, which is outcome based. This means choosing the action that provides the greatest benefits for the greatest number of people. Third, virtue ethics, which is focus on a person's character. Officers should always demonstrate honesty, encourage fairness, and integrity when making decisions. There are three frameworks help police officers can make ethical and responsibility decisions in different situations. Ethical decision making process. This slide shows the 7 steps in ethical decision making. Step 1 is to identify the ethical issue. Step 2 is to gather all the relevant facts before making any decision. Step 3 is to consider legal requirements and ethical principles. Step 4 is to evaluate all available options and their possible consequences. Step 5 is to consult supervisor or organizationally political when guidance is needed. Step 6 is to make and implement the best decision. Final step 7 is to review the outcome and learn from the experience to improve future decision making. Following the steps helps ensure decisions are fair, legal, and professional. In the end, professionalism is the foundation of the effective law enforcement. Ethical cannot always be avoided, but ethical decision making helps officers act fairly and uphold justice. To improve ethical standards, organization should strengthen ethics training, improve accountability system, enhance transparency. In finally, professionalism is the foundation of the effective law enforcement. Ethical cannot always be avoided, but ethical decision making helps officers act fairly and uphold justice. To improve, organization should strengthen ethics training, improve accountability system. In police operations, encourage community engagement and promote integrity and anti-corruption measures. By following ethical principles, police officers can build public trust and serve the community more effectively. Thank you.